Version 21 of MX Linux has a bug in it where you cannot get a working installation that has both LUKS encryption and BTRFS subvolumes. In this video, I'll be showing what happens when I attempt this installation in VirtualBox. The results are the same for both the KDE and XFCE editions of MX Linux, and for virtual and bare metal environments alike. Also, I'm not the only user who has had this problem, as it has been discussed both in YouTube comments and on the MX Linux forums. I did check the bug tracker, but I found nothing describing this issue. I also want to mention that I have developed a guide covering how to take a regular encrypted BTRFS installation and give it subvolumes. The guide is in both written and video form, and links to it are in the description of this video. Also in the description is a link to the bug report I made for the issue that we'll be looking at shortly. So let's get started. In front of us is the partitioning scheme for an encrypted installation with BTRFS subvolumes. I'm just going to confirm here and proceed with the installation. I'll fast forward to the end for your convenience. Alright, the installation is done, so let's reboot and see what happens. And then I'm going to fast forward this instead of skipping ahead like we did earlier. Alright, so now by this point the system should have asked me for a password by now, and there it is, we're dropped into a TTY with init ramfs. So it didn't ask me for a password, so what that seems to suggest is that the subvolume setup is overriding the encryption setup, and so then the system tries to boot into an encrypted partition without realizing that it's encrypted. Of course that doesn't work, so we get stuck here in a broken installation. So let's just type a few things in here. Yeah, not very helpful. Even if I try to exit, it just puts me back in. There we go. Doesn't know what shutdown is either. Now, I've tried to use MX boot repair to fix this, but no matter what option I choose, it just gets stuck being unable to set up the chroot environment. This applies to repairing and reinstalling the boot partition. So it looks like MX boot repair just isn't compatible with BTRFS subvolumes at the moment. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.